Good morning, you guys. This your girl Stacy. Kicking Channel Vlog back with another video. How you guys doing this morning? Hope all is well. I am here right now just ordering me some tacos. I love eating tacos. This is like a breakfast for me. So I didn't feel like cooking this morning, so I decided to order some tacos. But anyway, you guys, put that back. Go get that stuff up. Get out of it. No, you didn't. It's a lot under there. Thank you. Until, but yeah, I ordered me some tacos. They even got my cooking page on here. Look at that, y'all. Stacy Cooking Channel Vlog. Taco Bell now. Yeah. So anyway, I ordered me some salt taco. A little bit. Just a little bit. Don't pour a lot. I ordered me some salt taco supreme with the sour cream on it. And then got some chalupas in here. Open this top. Yeah, I'm right here doing a lot of business work, taking care of some stuff I need to do this morning. Let me open this up. Hold on. Okay, don't pour a lot there. Not that much. I'm doing a video right there. Hey you guys, I'm back. Okay, yeah. I don't know, but I love tacos. Okay. This is the tacos supreme. These are the tacos supreme. And then these are good. But when I tell you they delicious, believe me when I tell you. Right here. These are real good. Tacos. They're real healthy for your body. Get out of here. I'm doing a video right now. This right here is a chalupa. Yeah, that's a chalupa. Got like a hard shell to it. Chalupa. That's good too. All these tomatoes, they put a whole lot of tomatoes on it. It's a whole lot. Yeah, tacos are pretty good and I love them. They're good for your body. Can you get out? I'm doing a video right now. No, get out of here. Thank you. Yeah, but I'm about to get through, go in the kitchen, do some more things. I gotta get ready to cook my dinner for tonight. So if you like this video, give me a like, comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, my page, and at the end of the video, y'all hit that notification bell. These are the kids, so until then, y'all stay blessed and stay humble. And remember to keep God first foremost. Until then, peace. I'll be back with more videos and more content. So y'all stay blessed. All right. Love you guys. What's going on?